Okay guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scan Tool Network. In this video I'm just going to show you really quick how to illuminate the full dashboard. Maybe you think you've got a problem with one of the warning lights, or a certain warning light isn't actually illuminating when you start the vehicle, or maybe some of your needles, you think there's a fault with your needles. This is how to do tests on those particular systems. So we'll light everything up and we'll also test the needles to make sure that they do work properly. We're using the MB version 3.0 tool, which is available just by clicking the link below this video. Make sure you do use that link because that will take you to the genuine and official product. There are fakes, there are clones, and they can damage your vehicle, unfortunately. Okay, so we got this tool plugged into the OBD2 port of the vehicle. This incidentally is a 2015 Mercedes A-Class, but it will work on other Mercedes vehicles as well. Okay, so we're going to diagnostics. What you can do is you can select your vehicle. You can either automatically select it, which I'll do here, or you can select it from the list. Sometimes it's a bit quicker to just let the tool find the vehicle. Sometimes it can find it, sometimes it can't. So if you can't find your vehicle, then you'll have to go in the manual way. Alright, so then we go to the control unit section, and then we need to scroll all the way down to instrument cluster. Instrument cluster, here we go. So what you could do first of all is you could read fault codes, and that might give you an indication if there are any faults in the vehicle, the dashboard. But then what you can do is you go down to actuation test, and this lets you actually test certain components within this dashboard. Alright, so let me just say, for example, mechanical instrument clusters, pointers. So we click OK, we're going to click OK. And then when we click OK F1 here, it should do a full needle sweep, so all the needles should turn around. And there we go, gone to basic, back to the start, and they've all swooped back around. So that gives you a good indication that the needles do work. And then the next one is indicator lamps. So this is going to turn on every single dashboard warning light. So we go OK. OK to that, OK to that. Then the next one should turn everything on. There we go. So these are all the warning lights turned on. Now, if you say, for example, are starting the engine and one of these warning lights isn't turning on, then you've probably got a problem with, I don't know how these dashboards work. I don't know if they're bulb related, or they're like on a circuit, or they've been it may have been tampered with to mask off a certain warning light. So just be very careful of things like that. But this is a good indication as to whether all of the warning lights are actually working or not. So yeah, so that is how to do it. There are a few other things that you can do as well. Warning buzzer. I've never done this one myself yet, but let's have a look. Yeah, so it's like a little chime. You can do, and then a few resets as well. Alright, so that is just a nutshell of this tool. How to do a needle sweep and instrument cluster warning light illumination test. So this tool, as I said, is available at Diagnostic World. I'll pop the link in the description below this video. It will do a lot of other things as well. It'll do code reading, fault code finding, resets in a lot of other systems as well. For example, we know that this fault has been dealt with. There's a check engine light right there. So you're in luck, because I'm just going to be able to show you this quick reset. Control unit, go to engine. I'll show you the fault we were getting. Those are the fault information. I'm just doing this very quickly here because I'm conscious that this isn't what you tuned in to watch. We go to clear fault memory. Okay, now we probably get a failure there. So if you get a failure there, what you need to do is just turn the engine off, but put the ignition back on, and then you can try it again. Clear fault memory, and then this time it says erase operation done. So when we start the engine, this time, whoop, that's if I put my foot on the clutch. It's a manual vehicle. There we see the check engine light has gone off. Alright, so as I say, link in the description, genuine and official products in that link. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.